Hi, I am Rayanne McDowell from the Public Relations Department of the C.W.S.A. and today we are in the Dalaway Mountains with students from the Intermediate High School, Vincent Grammar School and the St. Joseph's Convent Kingstown. Now basically we are here today with the students to show them where we get our water from. So we are making the hike up to the catchment for Dalaway and we'd like you to join us and come along for the hike. Let's go.
For me, this was like really breathtaking because now that I actually see it for myself, it's like I didn't think like the process would have been like so hard in terms of how we really take it, because we really think like, okay, we just turn on the pipe here with the water, but we don't know like you have to go through some stages and like the processes and like how the development of the tanks begin and how they are, well, how will they process it to give us clean water. So yeah, it's really breathtaking. Well, on the walk, I saw a lot of lush forestry, and I also observed that the lizards up in the forest were more green than those in our home areas, and that is because of the area that they are living in. They will have to adapt to the environment, so they were more darker than our lizards in our areas down in the town sides. Also, there were more forests up there because the forests were there to prevent the direct sun rays from hitting the water, causing evaporation, and also the forests attract water, well, rain. So when the rain comes, there will be more water that will be caught in the catchments. As a lover of nature, today in that nature trail, it was a very nice experience because I'm not really used to all that trees and the naturalness of the environment, and learning and getting to experience more of nature. It was very nice to know that St. Vincent has such nice forestry, and to know that people destroys it every year is like really heartbreaking, because without the trees we don't know what will happen to our water supply.